everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. Here's my name, Dixie Quilters, woohoo! And we are not at day 6, we are at day 7. Let's find day 7 and put that right up here. Day 7. This is the Soft Squares box. This is the Keepsake Quilting box. And this is the Crazymoosefabrics box. Okay, let's go to town here. We have day 7 from Soft Squares, estimated value at $17. That sounds wonderful. And let's go ahead and get started. Well, wait a minute, where's number 7? 8, 9, 7. Okay. Well, I want to open this one. This is a project bag. You can tell. All right, well, let's do number 7 like we're supposed to. Okay. So 7 with Soft Squares, $17. It's a little bag. Nice presentation, Lynn. What's this? Merry Christmas. Luggage tank. Well, that's interesting. Let's look at this. Pink. Material Girl. I like that. That is cute. Material Girl. Well, I'm going to be going on some trips, so that's exactly what I need. Cute as a bug. You know, I used to try to carry on everything because it would be less money, but it is a big hassle to carry on stuff. Okay, this fun and helpful things are great personal items for your bags. Are you a material girl? Well, yes, Lynn, I am. Okay, let's look at this. Please excuse the mess. I quilt here. Oh, it's a magnet. Yes, yes, I just look around me on the floor here. We got empty bags and trash. Excuse the mess. I quilt here. And here is a darling keychains. Oh, I like that, Lynn. Little scissors, little machine, little tape measure, and a little dingle that says, beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. Very lovely. I like it. I will definitely switch out my car key and put it on here. Well, I think you hit it out of the park once again. So I'm going to put these back into that beautiful little bag to keep it together, actually. So that is Soft Squares day 7. Beautiful. Okay, let's do Keepsake day 7. Okay, now that's a little box of something. It feels like needles. But they gave me needles last time, so let's see what day 7 was. Oh, thimble pads. So you put these on your finger so that, like right now, I'm putting the binding on a wedding present, and I need one of these little buttons on my finger because that is getting sort of tender right there. So this is a really good idea. Thank you, Keepsake. Put that right there. Thank you. And we got the next one in order is actually number 7. And its estimated value from Crazy Moose is at $5. So let's see what it is. It feels like a box. It is a box. Okay, what's in the box? That's the trick. What's in here? Oh, I like that. 45mm blades, 2 of them from Olfa. Well, we know how much those things cost. says on the back here, $19.99 at Crazy Moose sticker. Wonderful. Thank you. Make a note on that. I'm going to alter that to what it really is, the value is marked here. And day 6, I think, was marked at $25.99. Well, that's good to fix those. Okay, so I get some Olfas to fill up my blades. So I've got a cutter and some blades. And this cutter comes with a blade. I think that's a blade. Well, it just might look like a blade, but we have blades now. Good. Thank you. And an excellent box for me to use for Christmas. Thank you. Thanks, Marilyn. You're hitting it out of the park. Okay, I'm going to keep those on my keeper pile. So that is day number 6. To recap, we received, wait a minute, we're on day number 7. Oh, day number 7. Luggage tag, keychain, cute as a bug's ear, and a magnet. Very nice. Day 7. Day 7 for Keepsake was the thimble pads that I can use immediately for binding a quilt. Day 7. Olfa blades. Just that fast you can forget what on earth you're looking at. Okay, so that's all for day 7, and we'll be in touch. Stay tuned for more. Bye now.